Hello WizKids, I hope you're all having a good week, and today we're going to be doing some fun science experiments. So for our first experiment, all you're going to need is an orange and a beaker of water. And what we're going to be looking at is how you can make an orange sink, because usually it will float. So if you look at it like so, usually when you drop an orange into the water, it will float. But we're going to be looking at how we can make it sink and what's going on here. So what we're going to be doing in order to help this orange sink is just by peeling the layers off, which might seem a little bit weird because we're actually going to be making it lighter, and usually lighter objects will float on the water, whereas heavy objects will sink deeper. But as I'm about to show you, this is actually going to help it sink. If you just peel the last of it off, and I'll show you. So now once you've got your peeled orange, you will notice it will sink to the bottom, unlike our normal orange, which floats, like so. So the reason why this one floats and this one sinks is because there's actually underneath the peel trapped air. So there's little bubbles of air which help to keep it afloat, a little bit like your air bands if you've ever gone swimming and had little air bands on your arms which help to keep you afloat. It's the same kind of thing with the oranges. So yeah, that's just one little experiment. So this next little experiment is called rain in a glass. So all you're going to need for this one is a glass filled with hot water, a ceramic bowl, and either some ice cubes or some ice cold water. And what you're going to need to do is put the bowl on top of the glass and then pour the cold water into the bowl on top, or put the ice cubes on top. So you may have noticed there the water dripping down a bit like rain. So what's actually happening is the water is evaporating and rising up, and so it hits the top of the bowl and then cools down, which then causes it to drip down, kind of similar to rain, where the water evaporates, goes up into the sky, is cooled down, and then falls down as rain from the clouds. So that's just a little experiment to kind of show you that, but miniaturized in a little glass. Well, that's all for this week, but I hope you all have a good week and hope you try some of those out. Bye!